Alright guys, I know I missed class yesterday and I apologize for that, but I did promise that I would record myself doubling this recipe so that I could show you how you use fractions in real life and how sometimes you do have to multiply fractions. So I have my recipe over here for 1 cake, and I need to make it for 2 because I'm actually going to be doing a tier cake for the Curious George cake, and then I've got to do a little smash cake. So I might have some batter left over, that'll be fine. So if you look at the recipe, we have 2 sticks of butter. That one's pretty easy. We'll now multiply and have 4 sticks of butter. All right, we have 2½ cups of sugar. The 2 cups, the 2 out here is really easy to multiply. So I'll now have 4, but look, I have ½ cup plus ½ cup. That's going to give me another full cup. So this is actually going to now be 5 cups of sugar. 6 eggs, that's pretty easy. That'll now be 12 eggs. 3 cups of cake flour. That'll be 6 cups of cake flour. By the way, I could kind of advertise, I like Swan's Down cake flour. Alright, 1/4 teaspoon of soda. I just want to show you guys a measuring cup real quick, so give me just a second. Let me get my measuring cup. Because this will work the same with teaspoons. Now, I'm not going to do a 1/4 cup of soda, but if you notice, here's my 1/4 cup, ½ cup, 3/4 cup, 1 cup. So it takes 4 1/4 to equal a full cup. So I've got 1/4 of soda, and I want to put another 1/4 of soda. That's going to take me up to 1/2. Okay, or 1/4 times 2/1 would give you 2/4, which reduces to 1/2. So I need 1/2 teaspoons of soda. That's baking soda. And then I need a ½ pint sour cream or 8 ounces. So I'm just going to multiply that by 2 and do 16 ounces because they do have 16-ounce containers of sour cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla, that's easy. That'll now be 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1/4 teaspoon of orange. I'm going to do the same I did with the soda. So I now need ½ a teaspoon of orange. And 1/4 teaspoon of lemon. That's also going to give me a ½ teaspoon of lemon. And you bake this at 325 for 1 hour and 15 minutes. I would videotape myself pouring everything into the mixing bowl, but I'm scared that'll make me too nervous because I get a little panicked when I have to make cakes, especially for a large crowd. So I will pause the video for now, and when we come back, you're going to see a Curious George tier cake and a mini smash cake with chocolate icing because I can't wait for him to get messy in his smash cake. And I have Matthew with me now, one of the birthday boys. The other birthday boy, my mom's making his cake, a 15-layer chocolate cake because he's 15. And she had to probably triple her cake recipe to get all the 15 layers. Where, remember, we doubled this sour cream pound cake recipe. So here I've got the 2 tiers that I used for the Curious George cake. I am not going to quit my day job as a teacher because baking is not something that I can do. As you can tell, one of the layers is a little crooked. And this is Matthew's smash cake that he will smash into tomorrow. So I guess that's it. That's for doubling a recipe. So you definitely use math in the real world, and sometimes it can be really fun to use.